We're all facing new challenges, and these are unusual times. Let's take a look at how we can chart this data in a quick and easy way. So the first thing to do is to find the information you want. Here I've got the cumulative cases over time that have been registered in Canada. And in this tab, I have the number of cases worldwide. So the first thing we're going to need is a spreadsheet. We're going to use the import HTML function. So we'll paste in the URL. We'll say we want a table, and this is going to be the second table on the page. And now you can see we've got our onset date and then the cumulative number of cases reported. So this data is Canada. And now let's create a sheet for our worldwide data. So again, we're going to copy the URL. And we're going to use the import HTML function. And there you can see we have our date and the total number of cumulative cases. Now what we want to do is reconcile the worldwide data with the Canadian data. And you can see we've got an inverse date range and a different date formula. So the first thing we'll do is we'll change the format here to be a date. And on this column, we'll change the format as well to be the same format of date. And now what we'll do is we'll create a sheet that says date, Canada, worldwide. And now, since we want the data to maintain a live state, we will ask it for all of the information that we have. Now this will auto expand. And now we can use a VLOOKUP formula. And so we'll say it's going to be from A1 through B, and we want the second value. And now what we'll do is we'll convert that into an array formula as well. And finally, we'll do the same thing. We're going to VLOOKUP this date from our worldwide table of data. So this is going to be worldwide from A1 through B. We want the second value. And we're going to say it's not sorted. And you can see that the date for worldwide only shows up after the start of, after January 22nd. So what we'll do here, wrap the whole thing in an if error. And now we've got Canada numbers compared to worldwide numbers. And one last thing we want to do is include an if error. Now this table will automatically update as the two data sources update, but we want to turn it into a graph. We're going to highlight our table of data. Now we can use the Explore button in the bottom right to open up the sidebar, and we've quickly got access to some pre-populated charts. Find the one that you like, and then we can bring it into the sheet and do some customizations. And once we've got our chart, we can do things like change the vertical axis to a logarithmic scale, which helps us see the context a little more clearly, Canada versus worldwide. So now that we've got the numbers in here, we can use this information, and without touching the chart tables, this data will be up to date every day you look at it. Thanks for watching.